So today we are talking about future tense. The subject remains to be I. We are going to use again modals and verbs. Helping verb, main verb, noun, subject I. But only the tense will change. Future tense. And today is with day 3. So we are going to make some sentences. Future tense. Future tense means something which is going to happen after 1 minute. That is also future tense. After 5 days, after 1 year, after 2 years, after 3 years. Any point of time. Ahead of time. Not now. Not in the past. Not ongoing. But 5 years, 1 minute from now, 2 minutes from now. When we are planning, when we are using any plan for the future. I will do this, I will do that. Today you are 17 years old. Next year you will be 18 years old. So as you see, I shall speak English. I will be participating in the drama. I will have reached home by 7. I will have been working in a good company after 2 years. ये सारे sentences क्या है? We are all talking about the future tense. As I said, the subject will remain to be I. Complete the sentence. I will be, I shall, negative sentence, I will not. I will not be, yes. So make the negative sentence also. And your theme today is your plan. So you're talking about your future plan. So I shall. I shall make a rangoli. I shall not go home this Diwali. I will be spending my vacation at home. I will have celebrated my holidays. Time आगे का आएगा. I will have celebrate my holidays. हाँ. I will not be. Oh, sorry. I will not be meeting. Read my sentences, but make your own sentences. I'm just giving you an idea. Write down these sentences, but you have to make your own sentences also. This is just for your, just to give you an idea. And then we'll explain all these sentences in Hindi. Done, everybody? Have you made your own sentences? All right. The first sentence which I've written is, I shall make a rangoli. The Hindi is very simple. बनाऊंगा, बनाऊंगी. I will make a rangoli in the school competition, in the college competition. I shall not go home this Diwali. नहीं जाऊंगा घर. I will be spending my vacations at home. घर पे बिताऊंगा, बिता रहा हूँगा, बिताऊंगा. I will not be meeting my friends. I will not be spending my vacations at home. जाऊंगा, करूंगा, बिताऊंगा. Future tense. I will not be going home this vacation. I will be spending my vacations at home. Did I ask you to ask me questions? You can ask me questions. So I will not be meeting my friends. I will have celebrated my holiday till the 4th of November. I will have celebrated my holidays till the 4th of November. करूंगी नहीं. I will have लगा हुआ है. 4 नवंबर तक आप सेलिब्रेट कर चुके होंगे. अभी तो आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे हम, जो लोग पूछ रहे हो ना, I'm going to ask it. I will have reached home by 7 का हिंदी क्या हुआ? अभी मत आना, तुम मुझसे मिलने 7 बजे के बाद आना, इसलिए कि मैं 7 बजे तक घर पहुंच चुकी होंगी. उसके पहले मत आना. 6 बजे तुम मत आना. Do not come and meet me at 6 because you will not find me there. But yes, I will have reached home by 7. ठीक है. तो I will have celebrated my holiday. जब will have लगता है, जब भी have लगता है तो ऑटोमेटिकली थर्ड फॉर्म आ जाता है. और इसलिए कि फ्यूचर टेंस है तो आज के दिन के बाद में नहीं है, आगे वाले दिन के बाद में बात करें. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हम बोलेंगे कल इस वक्त आप क्या कर रहे होंगे. We will have, हाँ, yeah, something which is you do not know, but you can plan. People do not know what is going to happen the next minute, but people make plans of 10 years. It really comes under the part of time आगे का होता है ना. We are unknown to the future. We do not know what is going to happen in the next moment. The next moment from now is also future tense. Yeah. Past, which already you know, but future is something which you do not know, right? It is prediction. You can make plans, you can make programs, right? It is unpredictable, but still we make plans. लोग 10-10, 20-20 साल तक प्रोग्राम बनाते हैं, पता नहीं कि नेक्स्ट मोमेंट में क्या हो सकता है. We do not know, but then life goes on. Life is all about making plans. अगर कुछ करना ही नहीं तो हम चुपचाप बैठे रहे. अनप्रेडिक्टेबल है, क्या करना पता नहीं, क्या करोगे पता नहीं. सो विल हैव का मतलब समझ लीजिए, कोई काम जो आगे के दिन में कर चुके होंगे. जैसे कल इस वक्त आप क्या कर चुके होंगे, इस वक्त तक आप क्या क्या कर चुके होंगे बताइए. एंड लिस्ट द नंबर ऑफ थिंग्स विच यू विल हैव कंप्लीटेड टुमारो. क्या? हाँ, आप लिस्ट कीजिए. आप इस वक्त तक आप रेडी हो चुके होंगे, आपने नाश्ता कर चुके होंगे, आप समझ में आ चुके होंगे. ठीक है. प्लीज राइट डाउन सेंटेंसेस. आई विल हैव रीच्ड होम. आई विल हैव प्रिपेयर्ड डिनर. I will have prepared. हाँ, कल सुबह तक बात हो रही है. I will have prepared breakfast. By now, tomorrow. कैसे शुरू करोगे? By now, tomorrow. इस वक्त तक हम कल क्या क्या कर चुके होंगे. आप पहले हिंदी में समझिए. पहले कल इस वक्त तक आप क्या क्या, अभी क्या बज रहा है, अभी ऑलमोस्ट 12 बज रहा है, तो 12 बजे तक क्या क्या चीजें आप कर चुके होंगे. नो. By now tomorrow I will have prepared breakfast. By now tomorrow I will have taken my breakfast. By this time tomorrow I will have reached college. By now tomorrow I will have attended my induction program. 12 बजे तक इंसान बहुत कुछ काम कर सकता है. ठीक है. आपको स्ट्रक्चर बता रहे हैं, मीनिंग बता रहे हैं. इस वक्त तक कल आप क्या क्या कर चुके होंगे. सब में लग रहा है कौन सा फॉर्म. आई विल हैव. ये कर चुके होंगे, वो कर चुके होंगे, वो कर चुके होंगे. I will have completed my course by the end of 2024. आपका वही है ना, 24 तक आपका है ना. तो by 2024 I will have completed my BBA, BCA, BCom, BSc IT from Simaj College. हाँ, तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, 2024 तक मैं कंप्लीट कर चुका होऊंगा. Do not ask me silly questions and start writing. सबसे सिंपल मैंने बता दिया कि 2024 तक आप कंप्लीट कर चुके होंगे. I will have completed BCom, PGDM, BC. Shut up. जिसको पढ़ना नहीं है फालतू की बकवास मत करो मेरे सामने. और बताओ, एक साल के अंदर क्या क्या तुम सीख चुके होगे. You will have completed 5 chapters in business English. 6 महीने में क्या क्या कंप्लीट कर चुके हो बताओ. C language, Python, 2, 4, 5 हाफ द सिलेबस कंप्लीट कर चुके होंगे लिटरेचर में. I will have completed half my syllabus by the end of the by the end of the third month in 2022. ठीक है, 6 महीने तक आप क्या क्या कंप्लीट कर चुके होंगे अपने सिलेबस में, आप जस्ट एक अंदाजा लगाइए। वर्कशॉप मीन्स यू नीड टू राइट डाउन सो मेनी सेंटेंसेस। जब तक समझ में नहीं आ रहा है स्ट्रक्चर बनाते रहिए। हिंदी आपको हम बताए चले जा रहे हैं। आई एम गोइंग टू नहीं, I will have finished the syllabus by the end of 2022. आप फर्स्ट ईयर का सिलेबस 2022 तक खत्म कर चुके होंगे। बाय द एंड, मैंने क्या टाइम दिया है? बाय द एंड ऑफ 2022। मेरा टाइम फ्रेम क्या है? आगे का टाइम। आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दिसंबर। तो सिंस दिस इज द फ्यूचर टेंस, द टाइम हमेशा स्पेसिफाइड होता है आगे का। आई विल हैव टू नहीं होगा, आई विल हैव। आप प्लीज स्ट्रक्चर देखिए, आप पहले स्ट्रक्चर देखिए क्या हो जा रहा है। आई विल हैव रेड 5 novels. I will have completed the novel which I am reading by Sunday. संडे तक जो आप नॉवेल पढ़ रहे हैं वो आप कंप्लीट कर चुके होंगे। आई विल हैव रेड, आई विल हैव टू नहीं होगा, आई विल हैव टू होगा ही नहीं। Yes, I will have read this novel by the end of Sunday, or I will have read this novel till, हाँ आप आगे का डेट दीजिए, 1st of November दे दीजिए। जब तक समझ में नहीं आ रहा स्ट्रक्चर, कीप ऑन राइटिंग। स्ट्रक्चर विल बी आई विल हैव, वर्ब्स आपके सामने हैं, completed, finished, reached। Okay. So I will have third form of verb. I will have spoken to your parents after the first semester exam, that which will be in March. ठीक है, कोई भी इवेंट, कोई भी एक्टिविटी होगा वो आगे का डेट का होगा, इतना ध्यान दीजिएगा। विल हैव रीच्ड, विल हैव कंप्लीटेड, विल हैव स्पोकन, विल हैव रिटन, विल हैव प्रिपेयर्ड। ये कर चुके होंगे, वो कर चुके होंगे, वो और क्या कर चुके होंगे। 2024 में अब सिलेबस क्या आपकी पूरी ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट हो चुकी होगी। I will have completed my syllabus, completed my course by the end of 2024. Did you understand? I will have. लगता है इधर के लोगों को समझ में नहीं आया, समझ में आ गया? ठीक है। आप घर कितने बजे पहुंचते हैं? Normally, what time do you reach home? I will have reached home by 1. Come and meet me. I will have reached home by 1. मतलब मुझसे मिलने आना और मैं 1 बजे तक घर पहुंच चुका होऊंगा। Now the next sentence. I will have been. Let's read my sentence. I will have been attending my class from the 2nd week of November. या आपकी खत्म हो जाएगी, आपका वेकेशन तो खत्म हो जाएगा मे बी 6th को। So I will have been attending my classes from the फ्रॉम द 6 नवंबर, ठीक है। 6 नवंबर के बाद आप अपना क्लास अटेंड कर रहे होंगे। बात कहाँ से, बात कहाँ से? सुन लिया करो, देख लिया करो पहले। आई विल हैव इट। दिवाली की छुट्टी 4-5 तक होगी शायद, 6 को आपको वापस आना है। छठ तो छुट्टी अलग होगी। तुम सेंटेंस लिखो ना, तुम डर क्या जाते हो? I will have been working in Wipro, in TCS, in ICICI Bank after 5 years. ठीक है, आपके पसंद के सेंटर में आ रहे थे। I will have been working in dash dash after 5 साल के बाद मैं XYZ कंपनी में काम कर रही होंगी। Write down the sentence, write 100 sentences. नहीं 200, इसीलिए नहीं बोलते ना, 200 बोलोगे तो बोलने लग जाओगे। प्लीज राइट योर ओन सेंटेंसेस, फिर हम क्वेश्चन आंसर राउंड करना शुरू करेंगे अभी। Did you understand? कर चुके होंगे will have, कर रहे होंगे have been। हाँ, कुछ ना कुछ तो कर ही लोगे, समझ में पड़ रहा है। I will have been doing something or the other, कुछ ना कुछ तो हाथ लग ही जाएगा। All right, the next sentence is I am going to, मैं ये करने वाला हूँ। I am going to take up dance classes. No, sorry, I am going to take up music classes after Chhath. हाँ, स्टार्ट तो हो रहा है। I am going to take up music classes after Chhath Puja. नहीं, एग्जाम्पल नहीं सही। अब ये मेरा काम है, तुम्हारा क्या? आई डो नॉट नो। प्लीज मेक योर सेंटेंस राइट। आई एम अबाउट टू लीव योर क्लास राइट नाउ। So it is going to be 11:55. So I'm going to leave your class now. I'm about to leave your class now. We don't have the time now. We can have 5 minutes of time. All right, somebody please come here. Somebody who would like to answer questions, come here. No, nobody is coming. All right, I will ask randomly. Anybody stand from first row? Second person from first row. second person from first row. Remain sitting. Read your sentence. First sentence.
I will have learned math.
No. From the beginning. Hurry up, read.
I shall.
Huh?
I shall speak English.
What is your sentence?
I shall play cricket.
Question him.
Why you will play cricket? Not football. I have no idea.
Second row. Girl side. Girls. Read the second sentence. Shut up. Big time idiots. Yes. ज्यादा नहीं बोलते हो? ऐसे ही लोग हैं जो कि बैक बेंचर रह जाते हैं जिंदगी भर. यस. Because I know come. Because I will not come to the college. Future tense के बारे में बात हो रही है. I will be attending online classes. Why you will be attending online classes? Because I will be going home. Next row. Yeah. Yes, you.
I will have reached the station at exact time.
Question.
But how you are?
How are you going? How will you reach?
I will reach by auto. I will have reached there by auto.
Fine.
I will have been waiting for my joining letter of the company.
Okay.
In
Question.
which company you are going to be joined?
You are going to be joined. वापस करो उसको. In which company will you be joining? Will you be? Which company are you going to join? Which company are you going to join? Please give it back to him. Correct English बोलो तुम.
In which company are going?
Which company are you going to join? Please write down the questions. आप लिख लिया करो. ये continuous होता रहेगा. Question answers. Which company will you be joining? Which company are you going to join? लिखो and बोलो.
Which company will you be joining? PwC.
All right. This side. Next row.
I will make chicken.
नहीं. I will be के बाद क्या है?
I am.
I am going to.
I am going to cafe tomorrow. Anyone like to come with me? Okay, thank you. I'm not offering.
All right. Next. Next row. इसको इतनी शर्म आ रही है बोलने में. हम्म
आइडेंटिफाई नहीं कर पा रहा था कौन सा रो है, कौन सा sentence है।
आपको जहां से शुरू होना आप शुरू हो जाइए. Choose a sentence of your choice.
I am about to leave this college.
Oh my God. Why are you going to leave the college?
Because I have many choices.
That is bad. That is really bad. Bad statement. Bad statement. You will never find a better college than Simage.
I shall go home. I shall go home.
Why you go home? nahi? Why will you go home? Guys, future tense. Why will you go home?
Because Diwali will come soon.
I will go home for Diwali. I will go home for Diwali. People at the back.
I will kill.
No. I know you're going to kill time. Don't kill time. Kill all your negativities. Kill your laziness. And please make sentences which are meaningful. Such kind of statements will not be accepted. This is not a fun class. And this class, the importance of this class, you will understand where you will face an interview. You will be happy that you're speaking correct English. And you will be really sad when you feel that you're not able to speak at all. We are trying to create an environment for you to speak English. All of you, one to all, you're speaking English with terrible grammatical errors. I have heard your GDs, I've heard your speeches, so much of grammatical errors. Here we are trying to, through this workshop, Poddar sir is continuously at tenses and grammar. And I have also taken it up in a different way. And this is conversational, theory and practical both. In a workshop, there are a lot of questions to be asked, problems to be solved, sentences to be made. Everybody is making, I'm also making. So why do I need this workshop? Because I am working with you. Do I need for me also? Do I need to write down sentences? No, but then I'm doing it for you. And I would like to, by the end of the day, I'm going to see your copies, what you have written, day 1, day 2, day 3. Rather, just now, I'm going to, right now, I'm going to see what you have written today. So people, if you think that this is a fun kind of a class and this is a bridge class, you may not pay attention to. You are terribly badly mistaken. You understand me?